And when you spin the hub, the centrifugal force puts the tooth out and it grips the inside of this gear and engages the flywheel. We're gonna go ahead and heat that up. We're gonna try to turn it into a knife. There we go. Like the look of that. There we go, one hole drawn. When you get high carbon steel glowing hot and then cool it down suddenly, it becomes harder. So after you quench the knife in the snow, you test it with a file to see if it's the right hardness. First rivet in the sheath. There we go, the knife and sheath.